Windows are an essential part of any home. They let in natural light, provide ventilation, and add to the overall aesthetic appeal of your house. However, over time, windows can become less efficient, worn out, or damaged, which can affect your comfort and increase energy costs. For homeowners in Clinton Township, Michigan, understanding when it's time to replace your windows is key to maintaining a comfortable, energy-efficient home. Here are some clear signs that you may need new windows in your Clinton Township home. Drafts and temperature inconsistencies. One of the most noticeable signs that your windows may need replacement is the presence of drafts. If you feel a cold breeze coming through your windows during the winter or notice that your home is not staying as warm as it should, your windows may not be sealing properly. In the summer, you may experience similar issues where your air conditioning seems less effective, or the room doesn't cool down as expected. Windows with poor seals or broken weather stripping can allow outdoor air to infiltrate your home, making it harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. If adjusting the thermostat or using space heaters doesn't solve the issue, it might be time to replace your windows. Increased energy bills. If your heating and cooling bills have been climbing without any changes in usage, your windows might be to blame. Older windows, particularly those with single panes, don't provide the insulation that modern double or triple pane windows offer. This inefficiency means your HVAC system works harder to maintain a comfortable temperature, driving up energy costs. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you can save money in the long run and keep your home more comfortable year-round. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows should open and close smoothly without much effort. If you find yourself struggling to open or close your windows, it could be a sign of wear and tear. Sticking or difficult to operate windows are often the result of damaged frames, warped sashes, or built-up dirt and debris in the tracks. If cleaning and lubrication don't resolve the problem, it may be time to replace the windows. In addition to the difficulty in operation, old windows may become drafty and loose, which compromises security. Windows that don't properly lock or stay shut can also be a safety hazard, especially in homes with young children or pets. Visible damage to window frames or glass. One of the most obvious signs that you need new windows is visible damage. If your windows have cracked glass, warped or rotting frames, or other noticeable damage, they not only detract from the aesthetic appeal of your home but can also affect functionality. Broken glass can lead to drafts, security concerns, and further damage to the window's structure. If your window frames are showing signs of rot or decay, it could be because water is seeping into the frame due to cracks or damaged seals. Over time, this water damage can lead to mold, mildew, and structural issues that can be costly to repair. In such cases, replacing the windows before the problem worsens is a wise decision. Condensation between window panes. If you notice condensation forming between the panes of your double or triple glazed windows, it's a sign that the seals have failed. Modern windows are designed with multiple layers of glass separated by an insulating gas that helps to maintain the temperature inside. When the seal around the glass breaks, moisture can enter between the panes, leading to foggy or cloudy windows. This not only reduces visibility and aesthetics but also indicates a loss of insulating efficiency, meaning you might need to replace the window. Noise pollution. Windows play a significant role in soundproofing your home. If you notice that external noise, such as traffic sounds, lawnmowers, or nearby construction, is increasingly disruptive, your windows may not be providing the sound insulation they once did. New windows with better insulation can help reduce the amount of noise that enters your home, creating a quieter, more peaceful living environment. Outdated or unattractive appearance. Sometimes, the decision to replace windows isn't driven by functionality, but by appearance. If your windows are outdated, mismatched, or simply don't fit your home's aesthetic anymore, replacing them can greatly enhance your home's curb appeal. Newer, stylish windows can update the look of your home and improve its resale value. Conclusion. Windows play an important role in keeping your Clinton Township home comfortable, secure, and energy efficient. If you notice any of the signs mentioned above, drafts, higher energy bills, difficulty operating your windows, visible damage, condensation between panes, noise problems, or simply an outdated appearance, it may be time to consider replacing your windows. Upgrading to new windows is an investment that will not only enhance the comfort and value of your home but also provide long-term savings on energy costs. Contact a local window professional to assess your needs and help you choose the best window options for your home.